Hey everybody, it's Riah, and we are doing a 5-foot by 5-foot tapestry soaked in soda ash. And if you need to know, the mixture for that is 1 cup of soda ash per gallon of water. So if you do 3 gallons, it's 3 cups. This tapestry is damp starting out. It is better for folding. You're going to want to fold in half. Definitely make sure you get rid of the wrinkles and the creases, and then fold in half again. Now when you finally get it all flattened out, you'll want to find the center of your tapestry. And for me, it's easy because all of my tapestries do have the hanging loops on the opposite corner of the center. However, if you don't have hanging loops, the best way to find it is you're going to want to find the corner that has the least open creases in it. And then you're going to fold it just like a paper airplane. So you're going to fold it back into a triangle and then fold it back one more time, flatten it out. And then when you're done doing that side, you're going to flip it over and do the same exact thing on the other side. So just a little bit of extra details for you. I am done with the book. However, I am waiting for a copyright. And just so you guys know, this is a totally beginner book. So there will be no Sinew designs in it. It's basically for anybody who's never tie-dyed before and they just want to try it out. But I definitely will have future books with the Sinew and the Kite String designs too, so that'll be really awesome. Alright, now we got our washable marker, and we're just going to draw whatever design that we want on it. So I kind of want to make it look like a sun, sort of. But then I'm just going to draw the squiggly line all the way up. And then when we're ready to tie it, I'm going to tie that first line with Sinew. And then we're going to pleat fold that whole squiggly line up and tie the rest with kite string. So while I'm going to tie that, I'm going to let you guys know too, if some of you haven't seen the community post, I am curating my own tie-dye kit. It will be available very soon. I'm just waiting on filling up the bottles with my favorite dye. Everything in the kit is all of my favorite stuff. So it has my favorite rubber bands in it, my gloves, it's going to have my favorite dye, my favorite bottles. I will provide a table cover, and it's all going to come in a dyeable drawstring backpack. So it's super exciting. And at first, I'm going to have 10 kits to start out. If they go super fast, I'm going to make another 10 kits, and that's probably how it's going to go for now. It is just me here doing this. I have a little help from my husband, but right now, trying to do a lot of kits is a little far-fetched, you know, so I'm doing what I can, but I will get you guys the kits. I will have a community post saying that they are available, or if I have them ready to go and I want to schedule them to hit the website at a certain time, I will definitely post about that so that you guys know ahead of time. As a lot of you know who check my website, I don't have like a ton of t-shirts posted there. I don't just make a bunch of them and post them. What I do is whatever I make on my channel or for any of my other social medias, those get posted to the website. But mainly the website is there for you to buy whatever's available, or you can use the contact page to email me if you want something specific in a different color or a different size. So just remember that when you see something you like, make sure you get a hold of me. I can definitely make one for you. Alright, so back to the tying. If you guys have never used kite string or Sinew, I do have a video, and I'll put a card up in the top right hand corner. Basically, I show you how to use kite string and Sinew, and you can tell which one you like the best. The Sinew normally leaves white lines and the kite string doesn't, but the kite string will hold things tightly as long as you tie it tightly. But like I said, I have another video for that if you'd like to check that out. Also, you guys, I'm really open to suggestions, so if there is anything that you guys do want me to do on my channel, I know a lot of you have suggested a lot of stuff. I do have that list, but like I said, if there's anything new that you think that you would want to see, even on a spiral, just let me know and try to be specific. So if you want to see it on a spiral, let me know. If you want to see me do something like a design on a t-shirt, let me know that too. and I will try my best to do what I can. I have a super long list of stuff, but it is older suggestions, so just let me know what you guys want to see. My channel's getting up there, so it's almost at 100K. We're at 93 right now for subscribers. I have a lot of people ask me how they can help me out and contribute to my channel, and the best way you guys can do that is share my videos. We got to add more people to the tie-dye family here. Also, it's free for you to do, but it helps me out a lot if you can just let the ads play. Like a video this long, though, there will be a ad at the beginning, probably the end, and one in the middle. If you just let them play, that helps me out a lot, and I would really appreciate it. This specific tapestry is going to be an ice dye. I do kind of wish that I picked different colors for this one, but in the end, I think it's going to be awesome. But this one is a little different. Normally, I sprinkle some soda ash on top of the dye under the ice. I didn't do that this time. I've had a couple tapestries that I've done that you guys haven't seen. I couldn't post them because I've been having saturation issues. So like half of my tapestry looks super awesome and the other half looks really faded and the dye didn't go all the way through. And I'm pretty sure it's the soda ash. So this time I tried it and it ended up working. So probably from now on, unless it's a shirt, I probably won't add soda ash under the ice. Sometimes you have to test things out to see what works best for you. Sometimes it will help keep the colors nice and vibrant, like I've done it on the turtle tapestry before and they look great, but because it's a mandala fold and it's a lot thicker than any other fold, I think that's what the problem is. So once you have the ice in there, you're going to want to let this sit for at least 24 hours, longer if you can. And after you're done letting it batch, you'll be able to rinse it in cold water first, gradually into warm, get as much of that dye out as you can. And now it's time for the reveal. Once you guys get it all rinsed out and you want to wash it, you'll wash it hot by itself with, I use Synthrapol, but you can use regular detergent. And you definitely want to make sure that you don't use fabric softener. Also, I hang dry mine for the first time after the first wash because it will probably fade if you put it in the dryer. This tapestry sat for like a week, so I'm super nervous. Ooh, that looks so good. We're calling this one Symmetrical Lime Green Sunburst. Why not? Because it looks awesome. The colors definitely pop in this tapestry, and I think it's going to be a favorite. So I definitely want to know what you guys think. Do you like it? Do you not? Let me know in the comments down below. And also, don't forget to leave the suggestions in there too. I want to know what you guys want to see, whether it be for Easter or for spring or for summer. I want to know, so leave that comment down below. Have a great end of your weekend and happy tie-dyeing.